We now arrive at the most important conversation for this course: water, sanitation, and hygiene. In this presentation, we'll try and understand what is WASH. We'll also look at why do we think WASH matters, and we'll establish a basic definition for water, sanitation, and hygiene. WASH refers to provision of safe water, adequate sanitation services, and better hygiene practices in a community, which are essential not only for the health of an individual, but for the health of community that surrounds them, as well as the health of our beautiful planet. It matters. It matters because globally, 2.2 billion people still do not have access to safely managed drinking water. Similarly, 3.5 billion people do not have access to safely managed sanitation services. 2 billion people do not have access to hand washing facilities at home. And 1 in 3 schools do not have access to basic water and sanitation services. In the year 2019 alone, 1.4 million deaths were caused by unsafe wash. And it is said that over 50% of the diarrheal deaths could be prevented if they had accessible wash practices in place. So basically, this is very, very important. Let's now establish the definition of water, sanitation, and hygiene for better understanding of the future lectures. Safe drinking water is water that does not represent any significant health risk over a lifetime of consumption to any age or sensitivity. It basically means that you have an improved source of water, that it is accessible, that it is available when it is needed, and it is free from chemical and fecal contamination. Similarly, according to the World Health Organization, sanitation refers to access and use of facilities and services for safe disposal of human urine and feces. And basically, a safe sanitation system means that a human contact is prevented from the toilet stage to the final disposal stage in the service chain of sanitation. It includes grey water management, hand hygiene facilities, infrastructure upkeep, and so on. And it is very important for personal dignity, privacy, and public health. Lastly, hygiene. Hygiene, according to CDC, refers to the condition and behaviors that help maintain health and prevent spread of diseases. Domains of hygiene include personal hygiene, such as hand washing, bathing, menstrual hygiene; environmental hygiene, such as cleaner classrooms, better waste disposal mechanisms, better wastewater treatment systems in place, and so on. And food hygiene refers to cleaner utensils and better handling of food, etc. Good hygiene is absolutely crucial in breaking the transmission of diseases or infections to the surroundings of a human being.